Today I'm going to make a collagen coconut colada smoothie bowl, which is the perfect way to start your day or for a little weekend treat. Now for this recipe, what you need is I'm going to be using 1 sachet of the beauty dust, the coconut flavored. I'm going to be using a scoop of the Happy Way vanilla protein powder. I've got some fresh pineapple here. You can also use frozen pineapple. I've got some chia seeds for those extra antioxidants. And of course I've got some frozen banana. Now if you're not into banana but you still need something to thicken up your smoothie bowl, you can replace this with frozen zucchini or some avocado. And then I'm going to be using coconut milk in my smoothie bowl, and I'm just going to add that in a dash at a time because I want my smoothie bowl to be quite thick and creamy. So I'm just going to add everything into my blender and blend it until I get the consistency that I'm after.